So everybody's been asking for a full house tour. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people have. So this is the outside front view. Here's the driveway. We're gonna go ahead and enter into the front door, but welcome. We haven't gotten much furniture yet, but all in due time. This is the front living room. That's the dining room, which will lead into the kitchen. And then this is the hallway that leads into a bathroom. Nothing too special in the girls' room right now. I have those taped off because they're super old, and I'm going to replace them with some new ones. So I taped them off because the girls don't really use outlets in their room, actually. So this is the mother-in-law's room, where my cats are hiding. And then this is the girls' playroom that looks out to the back porch where everybody's at the moment, besides Amber. And then it leads out into the kitchen area, which this was the dining room. There's the front door. This is our kitchen area. Nothing too fancy. It's not too big. It's just real basic. It's a simple little kitchen. It walks into the carport area. This is the carport area. Nice little carport area with a nice little overhang. This leads out into the backyard, and we'll get into that in a minute. That is a storage room where the water heater's at. It's got all our shit in it for the most part. And then this is the secondary living room. That leads out to the back porch, which I'll go ahead and do that in just a second. That is the dining room door. I took it off just to open up the front area a little bit more so it's not so segregated, because we got these doors for the girls' playroom that block it off, and then we have that door also that shuts off that half of the house. So that way, this is more open. The other living room's open. They're not so shut off from each other. And then, go ahead and show you all the bedroom. And we're just kind of finishing up the bed. But nice and big old bedroom. For absolutely no reason. Big old bed. But we got our own private bathroom and everything on this side of the house. Kids and Magra have that side of the house, and we'll go ahead and go out the carport. And I'm gonna go ahead and walk out the carport area and kind of show you guys this side of the house a little bit. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy yet. I got a lot of plans. I do, however, want to take out those two trees because they're leaning super hard and they're coming towards the house. So I'm going to take those two out. What are you doing? I got your toy. I got your toy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get it. Go get it. But we got a swing set for the kids. This is the back porch area. I got a few ideas for this area. Kind of dug up some of the old bricks. I gotta fill those back in, and made a little barbecue area just because they literally went to nowhere. So I went ahead and made a small barbecue area. Well, thank y'all for watching. be sure to tune into more. There will be more car content coming soon. Just waiting to find a project, waiting to get into the house a little bit more, get situated, and I will be popping back out to meets. There are meets out here in Alabama. Still trying to get connected with a few people, but there are some interesting things that happen out here. But please leave a like, please subscribe, and please stay tuned. There's a lot more to come with the channel and a lot more to come with the house. There will be a house project section on my channel very soon. But until then, thank y'all for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. So here are a few clips of over the last maybe week or so since we've been in the house. The girls got to go fishing and do a couple other things. We've gone to church now twice, and just a couple other things. But here's a few clips, and thank y'all for watching again.